To apply for an Ikea credit card, start by visiting the Ikea website or going to an Ikea store near you. The Ikea credit card is issued by Community Capital Bank and offers various benefits such as special financing options, rewards, and exclusive discounts. First, you need to check if you meet the eligibility criteria for the Ikea credit card. You must be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, and a physical address in the United States. Next, gather the required documents, including your social security number, driver's license or state ID, and income information. You can apply online or in store, and the application process typically takes a few minutes to complete. To apply online, go to the IKEA website and click on the credit card section. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information, and submit it for review. You will receive an instant decision, and if approved, you can start using your credit card immediately. To apply in store, visit the IKEA customer service desk and ask for a credit card application. The staff will guide you through the application process, and you can receive an instant decision. If approved, you can start using your credit card to make purchases at IKEA. After applying, you will receive your credit card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Activate your card by calling the phone number provided or by logging into your online account. As a responsible credit card user, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, including the interest rate, fees, and rewards program. Make timely payments to avoid late fees and interest charges, and keep track of your credit score to ensure it remains healthy. By following these steps and using your IKEA credit card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of special financing options, rewards, and exclusive discounts on your IKEA purchases. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and make informed decisions about your credit card usage.